Fifth problem, we have to find the number of terms in the given series. So here A is 7, A2 is 13, A3 is 19 and the last term is 205. So to find the number of terms, the easiest way is you find the position of the last term given. So here let the n be the number of terms. Let n be the number of terms. So A equal to 7, A2 equal to 13 and An equal to 205. So if we can find the value of the position of 205, then we will get the number of terms in the AP. So D is the first step we have going to find in the any progression problem. D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So 13 minus 7 is 6. So D value is 6. Now An formula is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the standard formula for the progressions. So An value is 205, A value is 7, we have to find the n value minus 1, D value is 6. So you can write this as 205 is equal to 7 plus 6n minus 6. So 205 is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 6n. If we take 1 to the left hand side, so this will become 205 minus 1 is equal to 6n. So this is 204 equal to 6n or 6n equal to 204. Now n equal to 204 divided by 6. Now 6 ones are 6 3s are 18. We are left with 2. So this becomes 24. 6 4s are 24. N equal to 34. Means therefore the number of terms in given AP is equal to 34. Simply remember that if we can find the position of the last term given in the AP, that will be the number of terms in the given AP. Now we have to find the number of terms in the given AP. Now here A equal to 18, A2 equal to 15 1 by 2, which is equal to 15 to the 30, 30 plus 1 31 by 2. A2 is 31 by 2. Now we have to find the D value to find the number of terms. Here also we are going to find the position of minus 47 because minus 47 is the last term in the AP. So D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to 31 by 2 minus 18 by 1. LCM is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2, 31 ones are 13. 1 2s are, that is 36, which is equal to minus 5 by 2. So D is equal to minus 5 by 2. So once we got the D value, finding the number of positions is not a very big problem. So An is equal to minus 47. We have to find the n value. So An formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. An is minus 47 is equal to A value is 18 plus n value we don't have. D value is minus 5 by 2. So this can be written as, so if we bring 18 to this side, this becomes minus 47 minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So minus 47 minus 18 is equal to 7 plus 8 is 15, 65. Minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Now this is multiplication. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is multiplication. So when we bring minus 5 by 2 to the left hand side, we can write it as 65 into minus 2 by 5 because it becomes a reciprocal. So this is 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15 is equal to n minus 1. So minus into minus plus, 13 twos are is 26 is equal to n minus 1. We can also write it as n minus 1 equal to 26, n equal to 26 minus 1. When we bring it to right hand side, it will be plus 1. So n is equal to 27. Therefore, number of terms in the given AP is nothing but 27.